Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I post book related videos on a regular basis. In today's video, I am going to review the book The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas. A few months back, United States witnessed a series of protests and civil unrest throughout the country following the killing of George Floyd, a 46-year-old African American man, while being restrained by the police. Frequent cases of police misconduct and racial injustice have long led civil rights activists to protest against the lack of police accountability. The Hate You Give by Angie Thomas calls out issues like police brutality and racism. This seemed like a heartbreaking account of what happened in America during recent months. And that is why I decided to read this book to get a little more insight about the struggles of African American people. The book follows the story of Star Carter, a 16-year-old black teenager who is torn between her two worlds. Her school, Williamson Prep, where she is one of the two black people in her grade, and Garden Heights, her suburban black neighborhood where she grew up. The novel begins with Star going to a party in a neighborhood where she reconnects with her childhood best friend Khalil. They abruptly leave the party in Khalil's car when a fight breaks out at the party. On their way home, they are pulled over by a police officer without any reason. The police officer orders Khalil to come out of the car and searches him. He commands Khalil not to move and returns to his car. Khalil opens the door to check on Star, and this was the only provocation that the police officer needed. He fires 3 shots at Khalil, killing him on the spot. Star helplessly watches Khalil die without being able to do anything for him. Star is only 16 and she has already witnessed death of 2 of her best friends, Natasha at 10 and Khalil at 16. Star is the only witness to the brutal killing of Khalil. Khalil is now being labeled as a drug dealer, a gang member and a young thug. And this is why his killing is deemed justified. But nobody cares about his backstory. The story of a boy who loved his mother so much that he is forced to sell drugs in order to save her. The book follows the growth of Star from being someone who is ashamed of her background and is afraid to speak up against racism to someone who stands up for her best friend and fights for justice. This is a book about questioning the unfairness of life and fighting for your rights. It is about racism, violence, police brutality, and the unjust system where culprits go scot-free just because of their color. The book not only focuses on being discriminated on the basis of color, but also on casual racism. Sometimes a casual remark or words that were not said in a racist sense can affect someone deeply. Star's friend Haley constantly makes racist jokes. And even when she is confronted, she fails to understand what it means to be treated differently on the basis of color and heritage. I loved the family dynamics portrayed in the book. Star's family is so endearing. They don't always get along, but they love each other deeply and always put their family first. They know how to stand by their loved ones and are ready to protect each other under any circumstance. The book was written to raise awareness against racism and police brutality against colored people. And the book definitely succeeds in its goal. The book is real, honest, and quite uncomfortable at times. It is uncomfortable because it is difficult to accept the harsh fact that some people are assumed as a threat just on the basis of their looks or color. People with such mentality are a blot on the society. But sadly, such people exist. The author has honestly written about racism that runs through the society. She does so with a delicate balance of heartbreak and humor. With finely written characters, powerful prose, and an intricate relationship dynamics, the book will keep you hooked till the end. The book gives out a powerful message and is definitely worth a read. I will give this book 5 stars out of 5. So this was my review of the book. Have you read this book? If yes, do share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, please like, comment and share. And for more bookish content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, bye and take care.